Self-expression is always possible for a person living with dementia. As they progressively move from early, middle, and late stages, communication can become increasingly difficult for them. But there are still many ways to engage them through sensory stimulation, using sight, sound, scent, touch, and taste to inspire positive experiences and feelings, and even evoke past memories of happy times. Dementia is often characterized by fluctuating moods, symptoms, and abilities, even on a daily basis. It's important to have a plan B in place to adapt to the physical, cognitive, and social state of the person. Changing course to support these shifts ensures they still have a pleasant experience. Devising new, creative ways to interact, spark their interest, and enrich their quality of life is the goal. The booklet is an excellent resource with plenty of ideas to engage their senses. The instructions are easy to follow, and each can be modified to suit their abilities. For this video, we'll be making a scent kit. These are the terms that will be referenced in this video. Please consult the glossary for the full definitions. Throughout the activity, you'll see these icons appear. We'll use them to provide you with quick tips, difficulty indications, and safety guidelines. Pay particular attention to this safety symbol. We've provided lots of useful recommendations to help you minimize risks or accidents when participating in the activity. You can also view all the guidelines in our safety checklist. The safety guidelines and the glossary are available on the McGill Dementia Education Program website, where you can also download a copy of the activity booklet. This slider will appear to demonstrate how to vary the activity. Lighter means easier, darker means harder. You'll be able to gauge how to keep the activity stimulating while also geared to the individual's physical and cognitive state on any given day. The items you'll need for this activity will vary depending on the scents you select. They include essential oils, tea bags, coffee beans, perfume, cinnamon sticks. You'll also need jars, cotton balls or pads, a shoebox, basket, and container. Clear off a surface like the counter or kitchen table and set up all the items you'll need to make the scent kit. Now, it's time to choose the scents. Popular essential oils include lavender, vanilla, coconut, or citrus. Try distinct spices like rosemary, sage, mint, or basil that may provoke nice family dinner memories. Regular household staples like fragrant tea bags or coffee beans are also ideally suited for this activity. So are perfumes and aftershaves that may spur memories of a special someone. The sense of smell is very powerful, and familiar aromas can be very comforting. One way to adjust the level of difficulty is to have them select the scents they like. Alternatively, you can choose for them. You can enhance the experience by combining touch and smell. Use cinnamon sticks, vanilla pods, or dried flower petals. Apply the different scents to the cotton or directly into the jars. Vary the difficulty level by having them drizzle the cotton ball with a few drops of essential oils and place them in the jars. They could also hand you the cotton while you fill the containers. Lastly, use assorted oils and make the kit for them while they enjoy your company. If doing this activity with someone in the later stages of dementia, maintaining eye contact, smiling, and remaining positive will help encourage their interaction. Place all the jars in a basket or box for storage and retrieve whenever you'd like to enjoy this sensory experience. Remember, the aromas of essential oils don't last forever. Every once in a while, add a few more drops to revive the scent. When looking for a meaningful activity that is both uplifting and calming, creating a scent kit together is a lovely choice.